In this video, I'm going to show you how to page break in Microsoft Word. So once you have a page inside Microsoft Word and some text in it, so let's say I want to type in, "Hey, how are you doing today?" And you want to put in a page break so that everything that you're going to write from there on goes to a different page. And this is the only thing on this page. Now, the way you do this is not by spamming the Enter key and then therefore getting down here to where it creates a new page for you just like this. But what you want to do is be over here just at the end of the text and then press Insert up here and press Page Break, and there we go. A page break has now been performed and you can continue writing. There we go. And now, as you can see over here, I can't really press anywhere else, even if I double or triple click anywhere else, because a page break has been added. Now, how you can see that it's been added, you have to press up here to this kind of reverse P, show hide icon, press on it, and as you can see, a page break has been applied over here, and there we go. That's pretty much it.